Presenter is Neha.
Yes, good morning, everybody. Hola, good afternoon, everybody. Uh, I would like to request Daya to share my screen. Daya. Okay, okay, ready. Um, First, today I would like to present about supernatural elements in a Shakespearean tragedy. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are
Yes.
audible.
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah, please
Okay, okay,
continue.
okay. Next, Daya. First, I talk about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was an English poet, playwright, and actor widely regarded as the greatest writer in English language and the world's preeminent dramatist. He is often called English national poet and the bard of Avon. He was born in 26 April in 1564 and died in 23 April 1660. If In his work there are 39 plays and 154 sonnets and long poems. Yeah. Supernatural elements in a Shakespearean tragedy. The supernatural elements that are apparent in most of Shakespearean's plays, significantly in a Macbeth and Hamlet, which we are going to elaborate further, have their roots in the Elizabethan era and their beliefs in supernatural creatures like witches and ghosts and fairies. In we say in a past that in a Shakespearean's day, people were extremely superstitious. His famous four tragedies are first is Othello, Julius Caesar, King Lear, and Macbeth. Crucial plot. He often used ghosts, witches, floating daggers, and prophetic apparitions throughout his plays. Audience believe that supernatural elements such as witches and curses were real. It helps advance the plot. The supernatural elements play a vital role in a Macbeth and a Hamlet. uh, the, uh, the supernatural elements appears the audience in any forms. In Hamlet, it appears in supernatural form, the ghost. It is an integral part of the structure of the plot. Screen is not visible. Hello, hello, Riddhi. નથી આવતું નેટ જ નથી આવતું. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are audible, but I think Daya might be disconnected or some problem. So the slide is not properly displayed.
Okay. Just a second.
You can conclude. I think she's connected. You can conclude your things. Yeah? You can what you want to say.
Supernatural elements in Macbeth. Super in a Macbeth, not only ghosts appear, but we also find floating daggers and prophetic apparitions throughout his plays. We can say that there are five important events showing the supernatural elements in a Macbeth, which are the witches, the ghost of Banquo, the air down dagger, and the apparitions. Darkness represents evil. The dagger represents blood and murder. The owl eating, the falcon represents disorder in a society, and Duncan's horse going mad and eating each other represent upset in a nature. The witches represent Macbeth's evil ambitions. Supernatural elements in a Hamlet. In a Hamlet, the supernatural appears in the form of the ghost. The ghost in a Hamlet has at least threefold dramatic significance. It contributes the tragic atmosphere of the play, motivates the entire action of the play, and finally it shows up the characters and derives from a certain moral effects. Hamlet fathers creates dramatic suspense and aura of doubt around the value with which associated. Conclusion. In sum up, we can say that supernatural elements increase the plot of story development and characters' behavior. Personages are likely to believe witches and ghost speeches. Shakespeare did everything in order to make people believe them and be captured by possibilities of their manifestation in a real life. References. Thank you. Thanks, Daya.
Okay, so now the questions.
Yes, yes, Neha. Why Shakespeare
Yes.
thinks add supernatural in his work?
Hello.
Hello, audible
Yes.
now? Why
Yes.
Shakespeare
Yes.
thinks to add
Yes.
supernatural in his work?
Yes. Why Shakespeare use supernatural elements, right?
Yes, yes.
Because Shakespeare thinks that adding the supernatural elements enhance value of the drama. That time was a renaissance, means rebirth. So supernatural elements it create more effect on an audience, and drama is performing not for only performing it for